Yo, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, we're gonna be adding some stuff to the Tesla. It's been about a month since I've added anything, so I figured, you know what? It's time to add a little something special to the Tesla. So we're out here today at Evod Mod, out here in Fremont. This is Larry's shop. He did the install of my auto frunk and I've been loving it. So today we're here for soft closed doors. Now, if you haven't had soft closed doors before, it's hard to explain how useful it is and how clutch it is. If you don't know about soft closed doors, basically, whenever you shut the door and it doesn't slam all the way, it will bring the door in. Now, my Lexus has this, and ever since I've been spoiled with the Lexus, I feel like every single car should have soft closed doors. So we're out here today and we're about to get it installed. Like I said, we're at Evod Mod and this is Larry's shop. So if you guys want anything aftermarket for your Tesla, I'll have a link down below in the description to his social media pages as well as his website. He does mobile installs and he has a whole bunch of products at his shop already. So if you guys need anything and you're in the area, make sure you hit him up. He has steering wheels, lights, auto present door handles, even some RC cars right here if you're interested. There's also a screen swivel kit and some other stuff. So he has a bunch of things. He's actually working on it right now, so let's go ahead and check in.
Don't wanna look back at the past, but these days only getting harder. I've been holding on for way too long. I put the karma over drama, nowadays I'm moving smarter. It's the only thing that keeps me strong. And I don't wanna be the one to break your heart, but I can promise you that I'm the one to stay. Cause I do better by myself, I swear I don't need no one else.
So this install requires them to take off the entire panel, the entire window, and some other stuff. It's pretty technical.
Money coming in, but it don't change a thing, cause I've been on it, trying to push me out the way, but I'm gonna get to it regardless. Bitch lying to my face and now they wonder why I'm heartless. It's embedded in my brain and it's been fucking with my conscience. I need that ice around my neck, I love the way that it be shining. I know I ain't perfect, but I hope you see me trying.
Just to show you guys the before and after, Larry's just gonna barely close it. See, sometimes this happens, you might have your hands full and it doesn't close all the way like this. So you have to open up and slam it like that. But with the newer soft closed doors do that. So they'll bring in the door whenever it doesn't latch properly. You make it look easy. Heck yeah, guys, I'm so excited. Just simple things like this make the biggest difference. All right, you guys, the whole car is finished now. This is how it works. Super nice. I was about to leave, but now we're just gonna do the swivel mount install. Added this one last minute, so shout out to them. So basically, this is how the stock Tesla screen is. It's faced this way, but if you want it to be faced towards the driver, you need a swivel mount, which they sell. So we're gonna install that today. It should be pretty quick. So if you wanna face it towards your passenger, you can, or you wanna face it to yourself, you can, or you can have it directly in the middle. So that's pretty cool. Nice.
No telling what I do when I be talking to my demons. Nowadays we making money, stack that shit up to the ceiling. All the shit don't take the pain away, still searching for some healing. I got money on my mind, the only thing that keeps me breathing. I remember all them nights, all them nights that I done cried.
I'm on the way home right now, but as I was leaving the shop, Larry said that if you guys want soft closed doors on your Tesla, he's going to hook you guys up. He's going to take $500 off of the total, which is insane. That is a stupid good price. If you want the extra luxury feel, make sure you hit up Larry. Like I said, all of his info will be down below in the description. I'm super happy with the install. It was super fast and I have no complaints whatsoever. So huge shout out to you, Larry. I appreciate you. If you guys are interested in getting a screen tilt mount, this is basically how it works. It is a mount that pivots the screen basically wherever you need it to go. And it actually has a lot more play than I thought it would. So if I have a passenger that wants to watch a video or something while it's charging, then I could face it towards them. And then while I'm driving, I could just face the screen towards me. It's a lot easier to see everything, and it just feels like it's more of a driver's car when everything is facing the driver. So That's pretty nice. I think for one of the next videos, I'm gonna go through the top 10 accessories to get in 2023 for a Tesla Model 3. I feel like I've done a bunch of upgrades that make this car so much better and it's so much more comfortable. Don't get me wrong, the Tesla is great from factory, but once you add all these aftermarket parts, it does make this car a whole lot better. And once again, I wanna give a huge shout out to Larry for doing the install. The way they do everything, they make it look super easy. They work very efficiently. So all of his info will be down below in the description if you guys wanna check him out. And if you're in the area, let him know that I sent you. And if you're interested in buying a Tesla, I have a referral link down below to save you guys some money. So make sure you check that out. I think that's about it. So I'll catch you guys for the next video. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay. Have a beautiful day. I'm out. Peace.